Happy Sunday, day 4 of doing keto. In the morning, I'm going to test my blood ketones. You don't need to buy a meter or any of that. You can always go buy those sticks. I haven't bought them in a long time because after about the first month you're in ketosis, they can be wrong. So I'm going to leave it there. At first, those sticks are great, but past that, you kind of have to start doing blood, and it's expensive, and you got to prick your finger and all that good stuff. So that kind of sucks. So tomorrow starts the work week. I'm going back to the gym. It's time to get back in the gym. This whole week I'm just going to kind of do light stuff, but I'm going to keep my heart rate up. That way I'm kind of getting a little bit of cardio out of it, and I'm going to end my session with like about 10 minutes of cardio. This week I'm just going to do cardio. Next week I'm going to start doing HIIT and Tabata. We can get into that on another video. Either way. So for breakfast this morning, I took 2 eggs and about 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and I made some scrambled eggs. As the scrambled eggs were just getting done, I threw a handful of Parmesan cheese on there, like the shredded kind. It's like Frigo. Here's a picture of it. And then I had a keto coffee, which is my typical keto coffee. I'll just say it again. 1 tablespoon of coconut oil, 1 tablespoon of butter, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, and a teaspoon of stevia, obviously mixed with coffee, keto coffee. And then for lunch, I kind of had a weird lunch. I wasn't real hungry, but I knew I needed to get some fat in. It was 15 slices of pepperoni, 2 pickles, 2 cheese sticks, and 1 of those cheddar bratwurst things. I'll see if I got a picture of the actual label of that. I think I do. I think it was in like video 2 or 1. And I did drink a Bang again. I thought about it today. It's like, man, I drink a Bang on every one of these. And that's probably not telling you the right thing to do, but guess what? That's what I do, and if I can do it and still stay in ketosis, I think you can too as well. Just remember, not all energy drinks are created equal, so I'll just leave you with that one. It is my favorite, and that's why I drink it. Next would be dinner. I had about 4-ish ounces of the 73-27% fat hamburger. I had 4 sticks of celery and about 2.5 tablespoons of ranch. I just drank a water with it. So, with that being said, my final macros on today were 15 grams of carbohydrates, or carbs, whatever you want to call them, 177 grams of fat, which is good, and 76 grams of protein. If I could have my macros look like that every single day, that would be great, because guess what? We're under the calories of like 2,000. So they always say if you're a male and you're under 2,000, you're probably going to lose weight. So again, my calories were at 1,995. So under 2,000. I've been quite a bit over 2,000 recently. So I'm happy with that. Again, the reason I'm happy with that being lower than 2,000 is today I stayed home all day and didn't really do much. So if you're not burning the calories, you shouldn't be taking a bunch in. Again, the calories don't matter at first because it's all about getting the fat in your body, but I'm just gonna say, you are gonna see a higher amount of fat loss and a higher amount of weight loss if you're not eating so many calories. I know it's a touchy subject either way. Make sure you're eating 100 grams of fat. I know I said that yesterday or maybe every day, but eat 100 grams of fat and then like let the rest fall into place. If your protein's like at 100 grams or above, try to just cut back on the meat you're eating and maybe get some liquid fat in you. I was going to have some fat bombs tonight instead of doing a drink, but I liked where my calories were. I liked where my macros were, so I kept it, and I'm not hungry, so there's no reason to eat. Don't eat if you're not hungry. If you're hungry, eat. Simple as that. Watch your carbs. Until tomorrow, keep it keto.